Hello language learners. In this video, we are going to talk about the pronoun and its antecedent agreement. This is part 2 of this particular point. In our part 1, we discussed 5 rules, and today we'll be starting with the rule number 6. This is Professor Mukhtar Abbasi, and you are watching my YouTube channel FEC English. Let's dive into the world of English. Rule number 6 of pronoun and antecedent agreement is that when two or more singular nouns are connected by correlative conjunction, either are or neither nor, the pronoun which will substitute them must be singular in number. How? Let us understand this rule through the sentences as either Khizr or Arslan. Khizr, singular noun, Arslan, singular noun connected by either and are, has lost his. Though we have two persons, but the rule says when they are connected by either or, the pronoun which will be used in place of them must be singular in number. So that's why in place of either Khizr or Arslan, we are using the pronoun his. So either Khizr or Arslan has lost his keys. Number 2 is, that is neither nor, neither Afnan nor Anaya. Afnan and Anaya, two persons connected with the help of neither and nor, which is correlative conjunction, has done her. This is a bit confusing for new learners because when they see two persons, they think that the plural noun will be used in place of them. But the rule is that neither nor, whenever is used, the pronoun that substitute even the two nouns is singular in number. So neither Afnan nor Anaya has done her homework. But if the situation is little changed, that is when a singular and plural nouns, here the situation is two singular nouns, but the other situation is when a singular and a plural noun are joined by either or neither nor, the pronoun that is used in place of them must be plural in number. Like either the manager is a singular noun, or his assistants is a plural noun. Though we are using either or, but the situation is a little different. That is, manager is singular, assistants are plural. So that's why to replace these two nouns, we will use the plural pronoun, that is their. So either the manager or his assistants have failed in their duty, not in his duty. The difference is, here we have two singular nouns and here we have one singular noun and one plural noun. That's why we are changing the rule here. Then rule number 7 is that first person plus second person. You already know that in a single sentence we can use more than one pronouns and they may be in different persons. So when the situation is first person plus second person or first person plus noun, when they are used together, they are replaced by the pronoun that is in first person. Though the second person is second person in the personal pronoun and first person is first person, but still the pronoun that will replace them must be first person, as you and I. You is second person, I is first person, and to replace both of them we are using are. That is not my, even are. So you and I have done our duty. So are, here we are using first person. The second part of this rule is noun plus first person, like Ishal and I. Ishal is noun, I is first person. So to replace both of them, we will again use first person but in plural number. So Ishal and I will finish our tasks today. So that was all about the rule number 7. Rule number 8 is that when you plus third person in single sentence, when you have a second person plus third person, or you plus noun means second person plus noun, noun is always third person. If they are connected by the word and, then the pronoun which will come in place of both of these things, or both of these nouns and pronouns, that will be second person, as you and Ehsan. Here you is second person and Ehsan is noun. As I earlier told you that noun is always third person. So some people are confused that we must use third person, but no, in this situation you will have to replace them with the second person. So you and Ehsan idle away your time, not idle away their time or idle away his time, but your time. That is rule number 8. Second example is you and she. You is second person, she is third person. So how we will replace them? With the second person, that is your. You and she were not doing your job, not their job, not her job, but your job. Then the rule number 9 is that if you have a collective noun, we have talked about the collective noun in our video that was on kinds of noun. So if you have a collective noun and you want to substitute it with a pronoun, the pronoun must be singular in number. As the fleet. Fleet is actually in the navy that has more than one warships. So the fleet will reach its destination in a week. Here we are taking fleet as a single unit. And when we take collective noun which contains more than one persons or things as a single unit, it is called collective noun. So collective noun is substituted by the pronoun that is singular in number. So fleet here is replaced by the pronoun its. After a few minutes, the jury is a group of judges that have to decide some matter, or in the court of law or somewhere. So after a few minutes, the jury gave its. Here means all the judges which are the part of the jury, we are considering them as a single unit. So that's why it will be considered as a collective noun and we will replace it with singular pronoun. So after a few minutes, the jury gave its verdict. But the rule number 10 is a bit different. Sometime in some situations, the collective nouns are considered as multitude nouns. What is multitude noun? When we take each noun in the group separately. In English, it is common that sometimes the collective nouns are not considered as a single unit, but each member of the collective noun is considered or taken separately. So then it is also called multitude noun. So if you have a multitude noun, then the pronoun that you will use in place of it, that must be plural in number. This is also confusing, but if you see a plural noun in place of a collective noun, it means that every member of the group is taken separately. If you see the singular noun and collective noun and you find a singular pronoun in place of them, it means the whole group is taken as a single unit. So let us have a look at some examples I've written. The jury, again, same word, because same nouns that are collective may also be considered multitude nouns. So the jury were divided in their opinion. Here means each member of the jury was thinking differently. So that's why we are taking them separately and we are replacing them with the plural noun, that is pronoun, that is there. The committee is also a collective or a multitude noun. The committee decided the matter without leaving their seats. It means that each member of the committee, when made their decision or they came to the final decision, they didn't leave their seats. Here the committee is not taken as a single group, but each member of the committee has been taken as a separate person. So that's why we are replacing the word committee, which is multitude noun, with the plural pronoun. So that is the rule number 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Until my next video, bye bye.